My name's Elizabeth.
And my name's Lily.
My name is Evan.
I'm Taylor.
Fabian.
Jay.
I'm Ron. I'm a youth worker.
Hello, I'm Ed. I'm a youth worker, digital youth worker.
Hi, my name's Dylan.
Hi, my name's Thomas.
We are here with the youth service to do some kayaking, surfing and high rope.
We're going to do the high ropes. We're going to fly across the Cardiff sky like two eagles.
Today we'll be doing most of the adventures. We've just finished the high ropes. Next we'll be doing indoor surfing. I'm really excited to do that.
Yeah.
Everything. When you go left to right. When the water splashes you in the face.
When you like fall off and hit the wall.
Yeah.
And we had canoeing as well. Yes, it was really good.
It was actually kayaking. Canoes are very different to kayaks.
Yeah.
I'm pretty excited. Probably the canoeing, because I like how relaxing it is. And the last time I did it, it was like so funny.
My favourite was the whitewater rafting because it was the coolest, it was the most dangerous, and also it was so fast.
What was your favourite?
Rafting.
Mine was rafting as well, because like all our friends were together and it was just fun. Like, all of us fell out as well. Yeah, it was quite fun.
Yeah.
I found today really awesome. It's really fun.
I would definitely come here again with my family if I had a choice.
How would you sum up today then?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. I had a great day.
Probably one of the best days I've had this year, really.
Yeah, I gotta agree with that. Honestly, amazing, and I loved it.
I'd say if you're up for a challenge, definitely do it because it's a lot of fun.
It was one of the best days ever. So I just want to say thank you to the youth service again.
Yeah, thank you, youth service. And I am extremely tired. And when I go home, I'm probably going to have a go bed.